Okay, this is our Specials Clean series. 4 different types of sponges. I'll start with the first one, which is the black, the blue and the red. These ones are ideal for heavy duty cleaning, heavy duty ovens, getting that hard grease off, commercial cleaning, very popular in commercial cleaning. These ones will scratch, so I wouldn't recommend using them with porcelain or anything like that, but these ones will remove your dirt. This Specials Clean series is ideal for barbecues, trays in the oven, all those hard to get off grease. Next in the Specials Clean is the blue, yellow, pink and green. These are a little bit more gentler, ideal for using in the kitchen, dishes, wiping down the bench. The foam inside will absorb the dishwashing liquid and give that nice finish to the dishes along the way. There are 4 different colours. You could colour coordinate what areas in the house you put those in. Next is our check in the Specials Clean. Yellow, green, blue and red. These are non-scratchable, ideal for the bathrooms, shower floors, kitchens, even your skirting boards. Next in our Specials Clean is the silver and gold. These ones are quite thick, non-scratchable, ideal for your plates, dishes, cups, those coffee stains inside your cups, bathroom, wash house, you name it. They can be used anywhere and won't scratch. So these 4 products are from our Specials Clean range. 1, 2, 3 are non-scratchable. We do have this one here. This is our heavy duty one. It still can be used to pull grime and dirt off the bottom of your showers, tiles, but it will scratch. That's why this is our heavy duty scourer. To purchase any of our products, simply add them to your cart and head over to checkout. Enter your details and shipping address, select your preferred shipping method, choose your payment option and click place order. And here's the best part, if you place your order before 2 p.m, you'll receive it the very next working day. Please note, delivery is unavailable on weekends.